Just a quick update on bacon and sausage. You can see they're getting big. Up to about 65 pounds, and they still fight like brothers, because they are. I dug out their wallow and made it a little bit deeper today because we're having some hot weather, and pigs can't sweat. Some people don't know that. So they like to have a mud hole they can roll around in and cool off. Also, I filled that over there, that blue thing, because they like to roll in it too. And I put them another small wallow over here. There's so many rocks it's hard to dig one, but I also moved their watering can, which when they drink it'll run into that one and help keep it full when I'm not out here filling it. But what I did was I moved it over here next to the fence where it's a whole lot easier for me to fill it. I don't have to go in their pen to fill it. And while I was in there with the shovel, I dug a bit of a hole and put this down in there for like auxiliary water. So in case for some reason that one leaks and runs out, they'll still have this. That's the plan anyway. But you can see they've got a big, more than a quarter-acre paddock out here. Brush and weeds and trees and lots of shade, cool places to hang out, lots of stuff to root up and eat. Yep, compared to the factory farms, these are some really happy pigs. They got everything pigs need: dirt, mud, food, water, roots to root up, bugs to eat, shade to lay in the heat of the day. You wouldn't think they'd fight so much. I think that's just what they do for fun. Anyway, thanks for watching.